How to get free dice in Monopoly Go. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to get free dice in Monopoly Go. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So actually in here you can get dice every 5 minutes, but the maximum capacity is actually just 30. So what you can do is to just try to listen to me because I will teach you some steps that you can get free dice. So in here, as you can see, you can actually try to collect a shield in Monopoly Go. So if you collect a shield, there's actually some dice that you can get from there, and once you get that, then you can get some free dice. The next thing you can do is to just upgrade your town. So when you upgrade your town, you can just click on build right here. And when you reach a milestone on upgrading your town, then you will be able to get some free dice. As you can see right here, I've already maxed out this landmark. Then I get some free dice on that. The next thing is level up your net worth. So your net worth is this right here. This is your net worth. You just need to level that up because when you level up those net worth, you can actually get some actually good and big prizes in there. So as you can see in here, you can get some dices, shields, and here dices again. So the next thing that you can do is to just actually collect stickers. So let's try to head over to stickers right here. So in here, let's click on album, and then you can see these stickers right here. So let's click on one sticker, and as you can see, if you click to actually complete all of this, you can get 1100 free dice. So the next thing you can do is to try to invite a friend. So if you click on this friends right here, and then if you invite someone or in contacts, as you can see, you can get 30 dice if you just invite someone from your contacts. So also you can just click on this quick wins right here and you can win on Monopoly Go and it will give you free dice. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to get free dice in Monopoly Go. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!